Today we're on site during a full concrete pouring session for a house foundation. Using a manual mixer and reinforced steel, the team is working together to create a strong and stable base. This is a crucial stage in construction, where every step, from mixing to pouring, needs to be done with precision. Let's take a closer look at how it all comes together in real time. Building a strong foundation starts right here. Concrete, steel, and real hard work, all coming together on site. Welcome back. Today we're looking at the process of pouring a house foundation using a manual concrete mixer and reinforced steel. Everything is done on site with real workers and real techniques. The rebar structure is already in place. This steel framework is what gives the foundation its strength and durability. Concrete is mixed using a small on-site mixer, combining cement, sand, gravel, and water in the right proportions. Getting the mix right is critical. Too dry or too wet can affect the strength of the foundation. Once the concrete is ready, it's transported and poured carefully into the foundation area. The workers spread the concrete evenly, making sure it fills every space around the steel reinforcement. Proper distribution is important to avoid air gaps and ensure maximum strength. You can see how the team works together to keep the process smooth and continuous. Leveling the surface is the final step, creating a solid and even base for the structure above. This is real construction, built from the ground up with skill and precision. If you enjoy real building processes like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more.